For many military and veteran spouses who've lost a loved one to an illness while serving, not only do they have to navigate grief, but also financial burdens.
A new state law is bringing property tax exemptions that many of these military spouses have been waiting for. Natalia Osuna reports on what it will mean.
For years, veterans and their families have been fighting for legislation that supports compensation and care for service-related illnesses. Rosie Torres is one of those spouses. While she is fortunate that her husband Leroy is still alive, the couple have been fighting to help spouses of vets who died from illnesses they contracted while in uniform.
We weren't going to just sit back and say, okay, this is our life. And so truly the mission that fueled us was our own injustice. And meeting families across the country that said, hey, that's my story.
Saying that her husband's story inspired the creation of the organization Burn Pits 360.
Or transition without even knowing that this is going to hit you like a brick into a caregiver role. So then you lose your career, they've lost their career, right? And the impact, the financial strain, this is the reality of war, right? Every war has a price.
Now, Texas House Bill 2508 is bringing additional property tax exemptions for widowed military spouses. Kevin Kieschnig with the Nueces County Tax Collector's Office breaking it down.
It helps those people who served our country and then had to pay a price for that. And while they're still living there, they have a lot of issues that go along their service related and quite frankly they deserve those benefits that the state gives them, and so this extends those benefits to their spouse as well.
The bill saying that those qualifying spouses must not be remarried after their military loved one's passing.
It's the intention of the legislature for that disability to continue with as long as that person owns that home.
And for many like Rosie, this bill symbolizes a big win.
Fast forward 13 years, slept 5 nights on the steps of our nation's capital in Washington. We're still fighting my husband's case with the state of Texas, but we did win at the United States Supreme Court. So it's a long journey for us, but a long journey for many men and women, which is why this, even if it's this bill for this specific issue, it all matters at the end of the day.
Natalia Osuna, 3 News.